Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Welcome from Sicily.
And we are in Palermo. I am Cora.
And I'm Karina.
And we are going to take you with us exploring Palermo and some
Its
other
surroundings
parts of Sicily.
So enjoy.
Here is a creepy statue. And here's
That's
Ilse.
not me.
Hi.
Hi.
So we are currently in the Riserva Naturale di Capo Galli, so a national park, and we are exploring, and it's very hot, as you can probably see.
But very beautiful. And we
Yeah.
saw goats.
We saw goats fighting with the tree, and there's a very beautiful beach on our right side all the time. It's a rocky beach, but we are ready to try it out later.
Yes. Looking forward to that.
She's walking.
It's made for walking.
at the rocky beach, and it was very rocky, and if you ever want to go, you really should bring shoes. What, water shoes?
Water shoes, yes.
I have no idea how
Because it's very slippery.
Yeah, it's super slippery.
But there were lovely
dangerous.
Italian ladies who helped Ilse into the water while I watched from outside.
Yes, so she offered to get you in as well, but
No, I'm a clumsy person.
I'm true. So I made it, and the water was beautiful, so it's quite warm, and it was super clear and blue, so I would totally recommend it if you have the right shoes.
Hi!
Hi again.
We are hiking today, that's why we are so red-faced and sweaty, because it's pretty hot. And we're going to a special place called
Vale del Porco, so to the Valley of the Porks, and if we get lucky we might see some piglets, and I'm very excited for that.
And if not, we'll still be lucky because we're gonna have a fantastic view and the landscape is awesome.
And
come with us.
as always. So, we hope you enjoyed our little trip to Sicily.
And sadly this trip is coming to an end. And we will leave tomorrow in the morning.
And we'll have some nice dinner now. And we hope to see you next time from somewhere in Germany.
Probably. Bye bye.
Bye.